Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tequila cocktails easy guide. Start by choosing 100% agave tequila and measuring 1.5 Oz for a balanced cocktail. Use fresh lime juice, simple syrup, and quality ice to preserve texture. Taste and adjust sweetness or acidity as needed to suit your palate. When shaking, double strain into a chilled glass and garnish simply for the best drinking experience at home. Start with a margarita by combining 1.5 Oz tequila, 0.75 Oz lime, and 0.5 Oz triple sec with ice, then shake and strain. For a paloma, stir 2 Oz tequila into grapefruit soda with a lime wedge and ice. To make a tequila sunrise, pour 2 Oz tequila into a glass with 4 Oz orange juice and gently add grenadine for a sunrise effect. When shaking tequila cocktails with citrus, do so vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds to properly chill and dilute for smooth texture. For stirred drinks, use large ice cubes to keep dilution low while cooling. Always taste before serving and adjust with small additions of syrup or lime. Choose a garnish that enhances aroma, such as a lime wheel or light salt rim, for an inviting final touch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.